Today I am going to tell you about an application through which you can earn money at your home from your mobile phone. You just need a smartphone as well as internet connection. That is totally normal for students. You can if you are free, you have spare time, you can invest it on the application and earn some pocket money. So in this video I'll be going to tell you about the ways and what are the requirements in order to get through that. So basically it is an application. I will share the link of the application, which is also available in Play Store as well. And in this there is also a referral program. So where when I would refer to someone or you would refer to someone, and when they withdraw their first amount, you will also get 600 rupees. So this is basically a really good app to earn money. Okay, so you will get a lot of option like filling out surveys, watching videos, and no, this is a real app. I'll show you the evidence of everything. So let's go. So this is the application. Here you will be able to see the home button. If I go to the home button, I will be able to see that the amount that I have earned so far, and I have not spent a lot of time on this. I have even made much more with this application. So when I go to earn section, I can see the ways through which I can earn money. It could be scan receipts, it could be online shopping, complete offers, watching videos, filling out surveys, playing games. Billings, here you will be able to see the billings, and to be able to withdraw the amount, you need the minimum threshold of 1700. If I go to analytics, I'll be able to see that how much did I earn from how many things. Here is my achievement section. I'll be able to see that what are my achievements, and here that there is a referral program. So when I will share it to someone, and when they complete their first withdrawal, I get 600. So I am also copying this link. Okay, and I'll share this link on my I'll share this link on my YouTube description, so you will be able to check that as well. Okay, and here is the settings. Normally you'll be able to log in, and this is everything that you would need to know in order to apply to this application. And the name of this application is Paid Work. So okay, earn the money. Thank you.